Jeez, I should have gotten that on camera, Jewely. Jewely just scraped her wing trying to grab that. Hi, Seagull. Seagull and Jewely are having a good day today. Yeah, I was gone all day, huh? Was I gone all day? It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock. It's nice out. It's April 1st. It's April 1st. And we're having some fries because I went and had a burger and an expensive meal. Didn't I? I spent a bunch of money on an expensive burger. You ready? Uh-oh, you dropped that piece. Do I need to get more out? You dropped it. What just happened? That was the last piece. We actually have some more. But I was gonna have some of these too, you guys. This is Jewely. Look at this. She's got a feather sticking out. She scraped her wing when she went to grab it. Do you want it? Stairs because there's people trying to interrupt us. Good boy, Seagull. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. We're gonna have some fries. He's a happy good boy. He thinks he's gonna sneak over to my thing here. No, no. Seagull, Seagull, these are mine. These are mine. Yeah. You're a good boy, Seagull. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. We're having a nice day today. We're having a nice day.